Assalam-o-Alaikum. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Sayyid Zakir Shah is again in front of you. Today we will discuss and narrate the real story of the sons of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, the two sons of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, Kabil and Habil, Cain and Abel. We have discussed in last episode that Adam alayhi salam and Amma Hawa has been sent on earth from heavens. They had been sent on earth and they descended on Safa and Marwa. Now it was world. They had to face conflict and hardships and they had to survive there by their own efforts and hard working, and they had to create their home, their shelter by themselves. Though Allah Ta'ala has created the world, Allah Ta'ala has created the trees, Allah Ta'ala has created the mountains, Allah Ta'ala has given each and every facility to fulfill the needs of human being. Yet this was not Jannah, and Adam alayhi salam also dwelled in Jannah. Now it was the world, and he had to do for himself and for his family each and every work which they needed. But that should be lawful and according to the instruction of Almighty Allah. Today we have each and every facility. Furnished homes, decorated drawing rooms, metal rods, and each and every facility we do have. But Adam alayhi salam and Amma Hawa, they were very simple and they had to face all the hardship of the world. That was their experience. They had to experience the hardship of the world. So they did their best to survive here. Now Adam alayhi salam got two children, namely Kabil and his sister. Amma Hawa gave birth of two children, Kabil and his sister. They were twins. After some time, Amma Hawa gave birth to also two children, twin children. That was Habil and his sister. When time spent and they grew young and strong, they felt, Habil and Kabil felt that there should be life partner for themselves. Now according to the rule of that time, according to the Sharia of Adam alayhi salam, they were given the instruction that Kabil should marry with the sister of Habil and Habil should marry with the sister of Kabil. But this was not accepted by Kabil, because the sister of Kabil was more beautiful than the sister of Habil. So Kabil resisted. Kabil said that he did not obey these rules and these instructions. He wanted to marry with his own sister, but this was unlawful, and today this is also unlawful. But at the time of Adam alayhi salam, at the time of Adam alayhi salam, Allah Ta'ala wanted that the population must be grown rapidly. So it was the special allowance from Allah that they could marry with the daughter of Adam alayhi salam, but there should be some span with the birth of their children. So Adam alayhi salam gave instruction to Kabil that he should order and follow the path of Allah and do not follow the path of Satan, devil, Lucifer, Iblis, which caused Adam alayhi salam out from Jannah. But Kabil did not accept this one. Kabil was greedy and wrongdoer. And Kabil cultivated the different crops, and Kabil worked on earth until Habil reared the cattle, and Habil was very nice and virtuous man. Now Adam alayhi salam sought a solution that there should be some kind of compromise, and Kabil must accept the instruction, order, rules of Allah. Adam alayhi salam asked both of them to pay sacrifice to Allah. When they went to Mecca and they performed pilgrimage, then after that Habil sacrificed a very beautiful camel, and Kabil gave sacrifice of very worst grains. Fire came and ate from the camel, and Allah Ta'ala accepted the sacrifice of Habil, but Allah Ta'ala did not accept the sacrifice of Kabil. Now Kabil became more angry that Allah Ta'ala why had rejected his sacrifice. Kabil became very furious, and Kabil said to his brother Habil that he would kill him. Habil replied that why did you want to kill me? Allah Ta'ala accept the sacrifice of virtuous people. You also do some good deeds that Allah Ta'ala might accept your sacrifice. But Kabil did not know that thing, and Kabil killed Habil. When Kabil killed Habil, he did not know how to bury his brother. So he took the corpse of his brother and wandered here and there, and he was very tired. Allah Ta'ala wanted to show the dignity of man. Even after death, Allah Ta'ala sent two ravens. They fight with each other, and one was dead and other was trying to bury him. When Kabil saw that the two ravens, they are doing something, he observed, and he thought that he is less than from raven, which he could not do, which they done, the raven done. So he buried the core of his brother and became from the sinful people. When he came back to home, Adam alayhi salam asked that where is Habil? He replied, I don't know. I am not caretaker of Habil, and I am not his supporter. Adam alayhi salam understood that he might have killed him. Adam alayhi salam became very grieved, and that was the first murder on earth. Even today, according to the hadith, if anybody do kill anybody else, the killer's sin also go in the back of the Kabil, and Kabil is also partner in that kill. So that was first sin on earth, and Iblis was successful in misleading and deluding the Kabil. So from that time, Allah Ta'ala wrote in Torah and in even Quran that even the murder of one man is the murder of whole humanity, and to save life of one man is to save all the humanity. So that was the first murder of Habil from Kabil, and that was very grievful for the Adam alayhi salam. Adam alayhi salam lived on earth for approximately 930 years. So angel came, and Adam alayhi salam faced the angel, and Amma Hawa also acknowledged that angel, but angel asked Adam alayhi salam that now the time has come to go back. Adam alayhi salam was ready to go back, so he took his soul back, and Adam alayhi salam faced death. Adam alayhi salam was buried, and a grave has been made of Adam alayhi salam. So angel taught the children of Adam alayhi salam that if a person died, he should be buried, and so that was the instruction to the sons of Adam alayhi salam. After the death of Adam al-Islam, his responsibility was given to the Shis al-Islam. So Shis al-Islam became the prophet, and so he performed his duty. In next episodes, we will discuss the other stories of the sons of Adam al-Islam, the stories of Prophet.